Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing okay. Not much happening with Bitcoin, except being stuck in this filthy range. Monday high, Monday low, nothing. I really don't see it uh, do anything. Probably spike higher, spike lower. We have PCE today, and that might be a trigger. And I'm looking at currencies, and to be honest, um, euro is looking, it's giving me signs that it's about to come down, meaning that's a strong dollar coming, yeah, in the next. I don't know, in the next session, hopefully. So let's look, let's zoom out a bit where we at. Uh, Maybe pick up another chart. I will try to do another chart, but uh, you see, like they're different. Let's see this one. Can't remember. Fucking charts. I have so many, but now let's keep this one for a bit. So there is still a bit more room. This is the area where I will look for shorts, uh, no doubt. So if there is another push higher, this is the area where to look for shorts. Otherwise, I am basically right now I'm short this from here. We also have this trend line coming all the way from 2001 all the way here. This, I mean, it can do like this. Let me show you. So you can push all the way to 25k. Like this is the last resistance here. I don't know why the monthly shows a bit higher, but it's okay. So this was our final target basically. I'm just gonna delete this. I am short Bitcoin here. It could do something like this, it could hit here and come down, and we can call this some sort of deviation. Or, it can push higher and come down. Um, we'll have to see. Like right now, the market is kind of like data dependent. So we have PCE later. Um, let's see. So we have to look at core. What's gonna happen to the core and the personal income. My thought is that if we get like some strong consumer report, that will kind of rattle the markets. But to be honest, I don't think anything will happen until FOMC. So I think that's next week, if I recall. Let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, so next Wednesday, it's gonna be our FOMC meeting. We'll see if the Fed will actually be very very aggressive in their talk, or maybe just bring down the hammer, with the 50 basis points. But that's another talk. So there is still time for this to push. Um, all I had to say this morning that these deep buyers, they are some hungry motherfuckers. But once this comes down, it will come down hard. That's my thought. If it breaks down like in three, from here, 1 2 3, like sort of like this, if it breaks down in three, we'll look for opportunities to buy. But um, I think we can be stuck in this range for quite a long time, and this is a very good, nice opportunity to accumulate. It's same for S&P. That's what I believe. So being stuck in this range for a long time, I if you watch my previous updates, I keep telling you, I think we will bottom sometime in the summer. Depends if it's gonna be a soft landing or a hard landing. But if we're gonna bottom, I think probably beginning of September, it will be a nice time to kind of like have some sort of fake rally, then come down and then up. But this is such a long time, and there is so much data in between that is gonna be very hard to forecast. But based on what I have and all the data that I pulled out, I think that's the base case, to be honest, but we'll have to see. Let's take a look at some. I think this one might be done, to be honest. It looks very exhausted. Would be nice to see a move all the way to 11, and it will be a nice swing short from here, right? Oh, 2.7. Yeah, so probably take first profits here, and then we can see if it pushes lower all the way here. But where is the equilibrium? So yeah, oh, 11. It looks like a nice area um, to kind of take profits. Probably react here for a bit, and then maybe it will push lower back into this range. I don't know what this thing does. I never do, but they look like good short opportunities, to be honest. So I will take this trade after I'm done with this update. Ethereum. Well, this is was from our last update. We said it might do something like this. It did. I think Bitcoin will have the same fate, and this is where I plan to long, but I'll have to see price development, here. If we get some sort of accumulation into this area like this, oh, sorry. I will probably look for a breakout, retest, and then up. Um, but first, as I said, I have to see how price. I need to see some accumulation into this area, right above this resistance. So it looks nice here, for it to kind of like accumulate. There is like a gap here, right? So if we get to fill this gap here, that would be nice. So let's see. uh Elrond, this looks like it deviated here. We talked about this last week. Deviation here, long here. um I missed this trade, sorry. I've been like not trading that much lately and didn't place too many alerts, but I'm expecting some sort of correction now. This one, we've hit some major resistance. Um, Definitely looks good for a short. Uh, Probably one last push higher. If it really breaks out, from here, I'm expecting this to be the top, and then we short from here. Probably yeah, I think I'll try to sell Sol from here. Let me see. 3R trade. I'll do it 2R and like this. So that would be nice. This is a nice short. If it breaks below this, I will probably add, right? But let's see. Atom. This one I haven't looked at. It's fucking messy as fuck. Um, but let's see. Yeah. Well, I don't know, man. This looks fucking choppy. This is one of the coins that I would really like to accumulate rather than stress about it. So this is our last swing high, swing low here. So this is our range basically from here. The fucking oh yeah. So this is our why do I complicate my life? I don't know. So yeah, if same as the other altcoins breaks below this, it's a short. So let's see what's gonna happen. Here you have some sort of multiple swing fails, sort of like double top here, and it kind of follows through. If it pushes low, I'm expecting a move all the way to $10, maybe even lower. Depends on how fast Bitcoin drops. AVAX again. So everything looks kind of similar um, from here. Basically, this one looks exhausted also. Yeah. If it pushes one, one more swoop higher and then crashes, that would be nice. Um, what was it? Link. I said that this is a nice accumulation area because I think Link won't do anything. It's just gonna be stuck in this range for a very, very long time. But remember that once it breaks out of this level, it's gonna be boop, and then probably we're gonna play another massive range. Sorry about that drawing, but it's gonna be something like this, you know, and then under, I hope, all the way here. That will be our target. And then this will be our range. Man, what's with my drawings? And this will be our range, like that. Yeah. Not gonna do anything. Probably I'll try to accumulate this, but these ranges, um, when they're like this big, and it comes from a downtrend, sometimes, I mean, in most of the cases, especially in currencies, when a range forms like this in a downtrend, it usually breaks down. So we'll have to see what happens with Bitcoin also. Ape, we've reached um, for a potential short here. But I mean, it rejected here, but it keeps trying to push higher. I want to see some 4 hour candle development here. I want to see it close below for and then kind of like take these lows here. Take this area here. So if it comes back here below, I'll have some sort of confirmation. But I need the 4 hour candle below this. Uh, this up looks like it kind of deviated here. We said that it's gonna do like this. These are some few swing fails, bearish side divergence. I don't know if that matters to you. Same with FTM. Oh, probably I will swing this from here and see what's up. Sushi, not much to say about sushi. Same stock. Matic had a nice run. I forgot to set up an alert, but I think this looks like a breakdown, right? So we'll see how it performs later in the day. Mana again looks like it's kind of toppy at this point. So break below here, and we're gonna short the fuck out of it. So I'm basically waiting for a break below this area, and I will probably short from here like this, not all the way down, but all the way here, right? And then we will probably look for longs into this. I'll look for longs into this area here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, this looks like some sort of deviation here. Um, Not much to say about Ripple. Right now, I'm like in wait and see mode. I really don't want to just, I don't want to rush into trade. Let's put the trade here, by the way. Let's make this one small. And we have a trade here from 23. Uh, Let me check the 23091. 230. Okay, just put it like that. This is how I put my stop loss above Monday high, but all the way to 21. This is what I'm looking for, 21. Um, it might stop me here. That you know, it might stop me here. It can do like this, some sort, and if I'll see some sort of breakdown, I'll reshort this again. So for now, I'm just being patient. I'm just holding my trade. Um, FTM, I'll just move my target here. So that's a 5 hour trade. Yeah, let's see. That's it for. Yeah, basically that's it for today. I don't have anything to add. I don't like to repeat myself. This is where we're at. This is just a massive range. It can spike higher, it can spike lower. So we'll have to see how it plays out. But so far, the Monday high proved to be some good, uh, you know, resistance here. So otherwise than that, take care. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. If you don't, then it's okay. No problem. Have a great weekend and catch you later.